Hello, lovely humans. Jen Foxbot here. Okay, why should you care about 3D printing? Because you can actually make things that you need. Okay, so it took me a while to be convinced that 3D printers were super cool, and this just highlights exactly why I'm super glad that I have a Prusa. It is true that for a while, the prosumer versions, or the ones that regular folks like you and I could get in our homes, weren't quite up to snuff. But these days, printers are really incredible. And my friend, who I will call out in the description, helped design this part. Uh, where's the lens camera? So okay, what am I doing? I am customizing a gumball machine to dispense food for my crow trash classifier, I guess you could say. I want to train crows to clean up the neighborhood and feed them. Work together with our animal neighbors. So this gumball machine has this metal piece that goes on the, whoops, upside down. It goes here, so you turn the crank, and then you get a gumball, or in this case, walnuts. And this is the gear mechanism that turns a wheel inside that then will release food. But I want to automate it, and I know that crows or slash corvids in general are very, very intelligent, so I want to preempt them by using a servo. So they have to bring food, or they have to bring trash first to get fed. So what I needed to do was replace this part, because there wasn't really a way to attach the servo to this. So what my friend did, yay Joshua, is we designed a part that has a servo input, and I'm going to put it close to my microphone so you can hear the really satisfying snap. Oh, it fits perfectly. He did such a good job. And then that goes on here. This part technically goes over to hold that in place. I don't want to spend a bunch of time using all the screws. So then there's a part that connects to the inside of this flower gear. It's a technical term. And I did have to thread it the first time, but the diameter of the hole is perfectly such that this M4 screw fits right on, and when the servo turns, it turns the flower. So that way, the flower gear, not the flower. So that way when it is inside here, too many cards. So I put that in here, I put this in here, and then that fits in all snug. That fits in all snug. When I put all the pieces together, it will fall. But anyway, so the flower gear will turn that. Ha! 3D printing. So magical. It's really, really cool that we can basically manufacture, well, small things that we need in our homes to fix things, to replace things, or to bring our wild ideas to life. Yay! All right, so check out CAD and 3D printing. I would highly recommend it. It's super fun. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye, friends!